So the first thing is we would like to hear from you something about yourself, where you're from. So a little bit about your personal background.
My name is Thejas Magadi Suresh. I'm from Bangalore, basically.
Thank you, Tejas. All right. Can you please tell us a little bit about it? How did you arrive here?
The very first thought that came into mind was CanApprove, because I read the testimonies and I saw the reviews that the CanApprove and the team had. So with that confidence, I approached for student visa. I gave my documents. It was verified. The documents list was explained to me what is the importance of each and every document. So each and every step, each and every part of the process was explained to me over the phone, sometimes over the meetings and sometimes over the emails. I was definitely kept on updated.
So what are your words to the team CanApprove? What would you like to tell the team?
When people say negative, it is very important for us to accept. That's what I believe in personally. We need to know our negatives before we start the entire process. So CanApprove did guide me, showed me, enlightened me about the negative aspects of my application. And I strongly recommend, I wish more and more successful team CanApprove. And I wish that more aspirants really get inspired and come approach team CanApprove, because I can assure that this is a genuine consultancy that you can get, because they are the only people that I came across who tells your negatives and who advises to make your negatives into positives. So that is there with Team CanApprove. I really wish all the best for the entire team and for all the aspirants who are looking forward for their specific journey in the future. And I'll be there for Team CanApprove as a client for the entire process.
Thank you, Tejas. Thank you so much.